Hi guys, it's been a while since I bought this thing. It's an LCI frame for the radio. The main difference is that this one has got LEDs. It's gonna get a nice ambient lighting to the cabin. I already added these little strips, basically cheap pieces of plastic that scatter the light all around here, so it looks a bit nicer. Yeah, I quite like it. I think it gives an interior a really nice vibe. By the way, the sport seats are already fully installed. The video on that is on my channel. And now we're gonna do this upgrade. It should be pretty straightforward. You have to take apart this thing. It literally held on with the clips. Then you take off this thing. Then you unscrew 4 bolts. Take this off. Install the radio here. I mean, instructions are all up here, so I'm not gonna rant too much about it. And yeah, and hopefully it works. Let's do it.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying.
Greetings. So, right away, I can see that it works. Well, on camera it's like flashing, but in real life it's just glowing really nicely. So let's put it on. And also, like, you can't see these are not visible now. I might get like restyling door cards, because I need to replace this door card anyway, because it's bad, the leather is bad there. So I might get restyling door cards, and the ambient lighting will be more consistent then. But this is already looking great. I think in the night, when it's proper dark, it's gonna look even better. So I think that was worth it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, leave this video a like, and I'll see you at the next one.